Look at Mekazani here with a how-to mock of Stringer and his Skopio XV-1. Let's take a look at the parts. Here in this piece we have a whole bunch of, here we have Stringer's parts. I made them simply. The joints, leg arm pieces, and more in these there are these big arm pieces. These are part of the torso bone, and let's see here, leg bone. Eight of these small swords, and then we have Skopio's head, and then you see, these little two fangs. They shoot out webbing. Okay, and we have a bunch of the technique pieces, and then we have body pieces. Oops. Okay, so that's our part. Let's get to the build.
The Chevy Cruze Echo also offers 42 mpg on the highway. So it's Cruze Eco, just like either, or economical. Economical. Potato, potato, huh? Actually, tomato, tomato. Oh, that's right. See your Northern California Chevy dealer. Now get 2013 Cruze LS or EPA estimated 35 mpg highway for 0 Mekazani and 0 first payment for around $241 a month. Hey, it's Morris Knight, and I'll be sitting right here every Tuesday with PG&E to discuss their CARE program and how it's been helping Bay Area residents receive a discount on their monthly energy bill. Sound cool, huh? Make sure you tune in to learn if you're eligible. See you Tuesday.
If you've been injured in a car accident, stop right now and listen. Here are 3 important things you need to know. 1. Do not discuss your accident with an insurance company before you talk to a lawyer. 2. On average, injured people with a lawyer get 3 times more money than those without a lawyer. And 3, if we don't win, you don't pay. If you've been injured in a car accident, get Berg and get the no-fee guarantee. 1-800-400-BERG. Do you have an idea for an invention or new product? Bill Schaefer, co-inventor of the Splash Wash did. He came up with the idea while watching his children play, and then helped submitted his idea to Whammo, maker of toys like the Frisbee and Boomerang. To find out how Invent Help can help you try to submit your idea to companies, call for free information. Bill Schaefer made a financial gain with his invention. Bill's experience is not typical, and most inventions are not successful.
For your free inventor's information, call 1-800-526-6666.
Hi there, I'm Celeste Perry. Join me on November 3rd for the American Lung Association in California's Fight for Air Walk. Or Lakes Regional Park in Fremont. Challenge yourself by raising funds for healthy air and healthy lungs. Sign up at CopyTV.com.
Fall is here, and the new 2013 models are rolling in at Walnut Creek Ford. Check out the new eco-friendly Ford Fusion, built to be green without compromising performance. And the all-new redesigned Ford Escape gives you power and great fuel economy. Plus, meet the all-new C-Max lineup. The new phase of hybrids have arrived, and they're in stock at Walnut Creek Ford. Come on down to Walnut Creek Ford or visit us online at walnutcreekford.com.
At Walnut Creek Ford, where you always get our best deals, you have my word on it.
Because food is love, food is life, food is family. We all have the right to know what's in our food. That's why the California Nurses Association, Consumer Groups, and thousands of others say yes to 37. Pesticide companies like Monsanto and Dow shouldn't be able to hide that they are genetically engineering our food. 61 other countries already have the right to know. Shouldn't we? Simple, clear, doesn't cost a dime. Yes on 37. The right to know what's in our food.
This is Russell Street in Berkeley tonight. Celebrating Halloween has turned this area into one big block party. People come from all over to enjoy this night. You can see a lot of kids having fun. In the meantime, little ghosts and goblins in Oakland started their trick-or-treating early today. And ABC 7 News reporter Nick Smith went along for the fun.
I had like a July,
Hundreds of families turned up for the 7th annual Temescal Trick or Treat Festival, and in no time at all, young people started raking in the yummy stuff. Some of these experienced vets of the candy hunt say this is the place to be. Where's the best place to get candy?
Let's see. Anywhere, Uncle. Anywhere. Best candy's everywhere on Halloween. Well, at least it's free candy. So far right here.
And it looks like they're right. Store owners I spoke with say that they spend anywhere between $30 to $40 for the candy that they give away. Darth Vader, Scream, and Charlie Chaplin were each impressive, but it was Scream who made everyone.
Yeah, that's one, Andres.
With this little trick.
Here we go.
There will be a costume contest
Nah.
of green dinosaurs and tiny pink fairies, but the true showstopper may be this ghost who simply had to have his chocolate. Now the trick-or-treating is done, and all of the Halloween candy is in the bag that it belongs in, and all of these Halloween trick-or-treaters are ready to get home and eat it. In Oakland, Nick Smith, ABC 7 News.
Well, sadly, there is no Halloween in New Jersey. The governor there officially postponed celebrations until Monday because of unsafe conditions after Superstorm Sandy will have the latest. In the meantime, flammable gas leaking in the storm zone. How dangerous is it? An experiment on an invisible threat in all homes. Stay with us. ABC 7 News at 9 continues.
Make the cash call and ask for the do-over refi. If you refinanced your mortgage in the last 18 months, we'll redo it at 2.875% rate and APR with no closing costs. Just call 866-59.
The 2013 Hyundai Elantra Style is the coolest in America. That's an opinion. The EPA estimated the Elantra at 40 mpg highway. That's a very informed opinion. It's part of what makes Hyundai #1 customer loyalty. And that is a fact. And here's something else that rings true. Get a 2013 Elantra for $239 a month with 0 down payment, 0 first month's payment, and 0 security deposit. But only in your Bay Area Hyundai dealers.
I have 2 dogs, and when they get sick, it's all over our carpet. They called dealers right away. My husband and I walked in the house, and we were both looking at each other in shock because our carpets looked brand new.
The California dream was built on our schools and colleges, but the last 4 years have been devastating. From overcrowded classrooms to college tuition hikes. It's time to stop the cuts and invest in our future. Proposition 30 will restore funding for schools and prevent billions in cuts this year. And Proposition 30 has tough accountability to make sure money goes to the classroom where it belongs. Join me for our students and California's future. Yes on 30.
Oakland Zoo is a destination for families, animals in natural settings, and high standards in veterinary care. Oakland Zoo is yours zoo.
Dive into a world of fun, catch kites at the Aquarium of the Bay this Halloween. Explore the wonders from a deep blue sea, then the scary fish movie Corona in 3D. A ticket buys more for adult schools and guides. Show up in a costume and you could win a prize. Ben Tucker here to tell you.
And there is Stringer+Skopio. So I put Skopio in vehicle mode. Can't believe it only took me at least 7 minutes, or actually more, to build this. Now the real Skopio would take very, very long. I don't know exactly how many parts it has, but yeah. So let's see it in, I don't know, walking mode or something.
A tax loophole in California law.
Okay, let's get up and delay.
California money and jobs.
Okay.
Will close the loophole and bring $1 billion.
So Stringer can either do it lying down or he can do it sitting down, which I don't know what I'm not gonna do. It's gonna be difficult. The only way he's actually secured in there is by these 3 arm pieces and his hands holding down on the handle. So this thing actually uses more Hero Factory parts than Bionicle. So I guess I'll put this as a. But anyway, it really doesn't use as much Bionicle parts as Hero Factory. I'm just gonna put it in the Bionicle section. But anyway, Skopio has 2 blades on each of his legs. Don't know exactly why they have to put that there. Oh, then you can check out the official instructions on BreakerStacks.com, and maybe you can build it if you actually have enough parts and sets to do that. So BreakerStacks.com is where you can find the instructions, and Bricklink.com is where you can find parts to build it. But you have to buy the parts from Bricklink, and also you have to be a member, which like I am. So this is Stringer and Skopio.